Varo Bank, PPP loans, Blue Acorns. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm going to give you guys the latest and the greatest information. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and the greatest information that I provide. And I get all my information strictly from the banks. So we got tons and tons of banks who actually contact me and give me information as well. But before we get into this, let me let you guys know I'm still doing a giveaway at the end of this month. So if you guys want to be entered, the best way to be entered is like and subscribe. So yeah, let's get right to this. This is strictly from a member on my channel who actually got in contact with Varo Bank. Now let's get into this. They began to say they applied with BA April 5th, SBA approved April 7th. The docs was signed and received April 17th. Originally used Chime, never received any email, any communication that they weren't accepting. Logged into BA portal and was prompted to re-enter banking information. Identity verification and bank statement, which they began to say is the most annoying identification process, but finally worked. They resubmitted with Varo. Didn't hear anything at all. No communication from Varo or BA. Randomly signed into Varo. Funded 2:03 a.m. May 20th account locked. May 21st email received. May 21st was the email received. It was locked May 21st and then the email was received May 21st. They also began to say, so they emailed me from a support today, May 27th, with the actual amount of the check, like the same exact template from the May 21st email, just with my name and check number, or check amount. So I'm not sure if they 14 days will be from the 21st or the 27th, but they would keep everyone posted. Feels like I'm finally at the finish line. Stay faithful, y'all. God got us this far. And that's just what I want to push to you guys. You guys stay faithful. That's probably a good word. Stay faithful, and just know if you guys are in the system, it does sound like they are towards the end of their rounds, to the point where they're trying to push everything out. You know, May 31st is the deadline, and they're you know, it's towards the end. So if you're in the system, the best thing to do is just to be patient. That's all I can tell you guys, because there's been a lot of glitches in the system, and there also has been a lot of people telling me this, and they've been reporting and telling me exactly, yo, my email, I've been receiving tons of emails, or 2 or 3 emails I should say, stating they need identification. They need, you know, different DocuSigns and all of that. And it seems to be those are like automated emails they are sending. Not saying don't do them. I would advise you guys to still do them. It's just the fact of, if they send things and it doesn't seem to be right, it may not be right, you know. But I do want to let you guys know, fill out those forms, but there are glitches going on. Now let's get into these comments to see what a lot of people are saying. One person began to say, I think since they stopped doing checks, if you already spent yours before they had a chance to issue you a check and they couldn't send it back, they'll just give you your account back. Just seeing it happen for 2 people. Congratulations on your check. Thanks for keeping us updated. And it does look like they are sending out those checks. So a lot of people are asking me, are they sending out checks? Is it the cash cards? What are they doing? It does look like people have been receiving checks. They begin to say, no worries and thanks. Honestly, it seems like a lot behind the scene factors, because if they're continuing to say they are 100% not accepting PPP, but I'm seeing people funded, fully no issue, people return to lender, issue checks, accounts closed with no explanation yet, they are overwhelmed. That's not even plausible. Now, I would tell you guys, it is like they are pushing out information, right? But it do seem like they are stating there's no more PPP loan, just to kind of get people not to apply, right? But I will tell you guys, the deadline is May 31st. So it really, that's the deadline. So if they saying they're not, you can still try to apply. You know, that's what I would tell you guys. Still try to apply. The deadline is May 31st. Now, let's say anytime after that you receive an email, of course, but as of right now, the deadline is May 31st. Somebody else began to say, exactly, it's literally no science to it. I just seen somebody get funded yesterday, and as of this morning, their account was still fully functional. Then a couple hours ago, I seen somebody get funded. Like you said, God got us this far. I know that he will bring me over the finish line and give me access to my funds. My funds won't get sent back, and I'll have a chance to transfer it, claiming it in his name. So that's the only thing that we can do is walk in faith, you know, and be patient. You know, walk in faith and be patient. You know, over the weekend it's pretty much tough because there's not a lot of things going on when it comes to banks over the weekends, especially Sunday. Then you got the holiday on Monday, so that could be delaying it. But drop those comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. Have you guys been funded? Or are you guys still waiting to get funded? And when did you guys sign those DocuSigns? Now, they began to say also, someone said, I signed 5/19. Now today says dispersed. I also go Varo and went through Blue Acorn. So all we can do, and like they said, fingers crossed, anyone got anything today on Varo, just let me know if you guys got that. Somebody else said all the same info, but I'm still dispersed, current as of this morning. Constantly check your account the second you can move it. So that's some good advice. The second you can move your account, move it. You know, somebody else began to say, okay, so we all have same lender, bank, and DocuSign date. Let's hope we all get it today. I signed around 6 p.m. How can you tell if it's been dispersed? You know, so there's a lot of people out here who's actually signed around the same date. Somebody else said signed 5/14, was funded 5/25 at 7 p.m. and sent it to my other bank account, so nothing will happen. My account is still open. That is the best thing to probably do, is take it and send it to another bank account. So that is some good information as well. You guys want to read the rest of these comments, feel free to read these comments. I'll leave them up. Just let me know where you guys stand in this whole process. I totally understand it's hectic right now. Very, very hectic, but I can always say, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you, and stay patient, guys. Stay patient. You guys was wondering exactly what I got. You gotta have the hot. Oh, she only gave me one hot sauce. Okay, I was about to say I only got one, but okay, I got a few. Of course, this is how I got it. Oh, she didn't even give me the corn. I asked for the corn. Y'all, I asked for the corn.
And the drink?
Have you guys got Gatorade?
You want the Gatorade?
Yeah, no ice.
Okay.
And is there any way I can switch out the Hush Puppies?
For?
Corn.
Oh. Okay.
And some hot sauce, and that'll be it. And they charged me for the corn because I had to pay extra for the corn. Didn't even get it. Regular upsell corn. Come on. It's cool though, because I don't like Hush Puppies. I don't like these Hush Puppies. I'll feed them to the squirrel or something. We don't like Hush Puppies, but yeah, we don't get into this. I'm about to eat this, and then I'm gonna holler back at you guys here in a minute. Look at that, looks so scrumptious, scrumptious. Got the shrimp. So this is shrimp, chicken, and then you got what is that? Fish, yeah, fish. So fish, chicken, shrimp, a little bit of fries. But like I said, man, there's a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication. You got to be dedicated, you know, especially, you know, like with the life that I'm living, as far as so good. You guys gotta think too, me being in school, you got a family, you got a support, you know, so that's another reason why I don't take none of you guys for granted, because you guys are like my family. You guys are my family for real. You know what I mean? So I definitely don't take none of y'all for granted. It's kind of hot right now. cup. This thing is getting tore up. All right, guys, you know I don't back down from challenges, so I'm at the park right now. I'm going to make 7 shots in a row from Nick Young. He challenged me 7 shots in a row since I got 7K subscribers on YouTube. I appreciate you guys for subscribing, for liking. Make sure you guys like this video as well. This is going to be like a long video. I'll probably try to chop it up. I don't know yet, but let's get right to this. Challenge accepted. I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. The challenge is accepted. You guys know I don't back down from any challenges. Once again, make sure you like and subscribe. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. You know, I don't only talk about financial and do taxes and stuff like that. I can actually play some basketball. So yeah, we're gonna do this. And I'm not even dressed or prepared. You guys gonna see what I'm gonna be wearing. I'm not dressed or prepared. So yeah, we're gonna get right to this. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks.
A subscriber challenged me to make 7 3-pointers. Challenge accepted. I just reached 7K subscribers on YouTube. I am ecstatic. YouTube QUiNTiN Banks. If I make this shot, you have to subscribe. What are you waiting on? Pigs to fly?
7. Let's get 7. 7K, man. I really appreciate everybody that's been watching my content. But yeah, let's go.